back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you through circle and cylinder, which is under GRA. I'll be solving questions and answer on circle and cylinder. Don't forget, kindly share this video across to your friend. Subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Make sure you do that. And all we need just to know all about mathematics are here already. You can private chat us for any assistance, online class, physical class, and anywhere, anyhow you're going to be helpful to you. On this video, I'm working on circle and cylinder. Now, I have some problems here, which I will write them out and I will solve it together. We will solve it together. Permit me to write it. Okay, look at these questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to solve it. And by the end of this, by solving it, you understand how to handle this type of problem. There are word problems on shapes, which I'm still on circle. Now, the first question says that a circle has an area of 16 pi. What is its circumference? Now, solution to this problem. What you just need to do, the area of a circle, we call area as what? Pi r squared. And the area himself is what? 16 pi, which is pi r squared. This, we cancel this. Now, my r squared equals to what? 16. My r will be equals to what? When I square it, it will be equals to 4. Now, my r is equals to 4. You're not looking for the what is the circumference. Circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r, which is the circumference. Now, it means I'm talking about 2 equals to 2 pi. What is my r? 4, which is equals to, it will be 2, circumference will be 8 pi. That is circumference. Don't forget that circumference is the same thing as what? Perimeter of circle. Now, the next one, we are talking about what? Okay, a circle, a circumference of 20 pi. What it is area. Now, circumference equals to 2 pi r. And we have 20 pi equals to 2 pi r. Now, this we cancel this. Here 1, here 10. Now, my r will be equals to 10. My r equals to 10. Since my r equals to 10, I will now move on by saying that what? My area will be equals to pi r squared. It means I'll be having pi 10 squared, which is implies 100 pi. That is my answer. My equals to what? Now, the next one, a circle has a circumference of 8. A circle has a circumference of what? 8. It means the solution to this. It means the circle has a circumference of what? Pi r. My circumference is 8 equals to 2 pi r. Now, it means my r will be equals to 4 all over pi. My r equals to 4 all over pi. Since my r equals to 4 all over pi, what is its area? My area will be equals to pi r squared. My area will now be pi of what? 4 all over what? Pi all squared. My area will be equals to that way 16 all over pi. That is my answer. Because something like this, we have pi multiplied by 16 all over pi squared. This will cancel this. Now, I have that is the. Now, the next one, a circle has a diameter 5. What is the area? What is the diameter? A diameter is a line that divides circle to 2 equal parts. Now, diameter is a line that divides circle to 2 equal parts. Now, don't forget that I need radius, not diameter. And 2 radius equals to 1 diameter. It means r equals to what? Diameter all over 2. What is my diameter? Equals to 5 all over 2. Now, what is its area? My area will be equals to pi r squared. My area will be equals to pi 5 all over 2 squared, which is I'll be having area will be equals to 25 pi all over 4. 25 pi all over 4. That is my answer. 25 pi all over 4. Now the last question here now, a circles as equal its circumference. Circles as equal of its circumference. What is the radius? Now it means when you have something like this, it is very simple. It has equal of its what? Circumference, area, and its what? Circumference. It means area equals to what? Circumference. What is the area? Pi r squared equals to 2 pi r. Now indirectly, this we cancel this. My r will be equals to 2. It means my r equals to 2. Now since my r equals to 2, I will now say that what is the area? Oh, the radius equals to 2. It means the radius equals to 2. Now, those are the things you need to understand here. I have some questions here also to show so that you'll be able to handle this part very well. Now, permit me to rub this. Okay. Now, let me write out some questions also that will really help us to understand this part very well. Okay, I have these questions there. Now, quantity A, the way they put that, the way they show their question on GRE, they have quantity A, quantity B. Quantity A states that the radius of a circle with an area 36 centimeter, pi, and quantity B, the radius of a circle with circumference 2 pi. Now, you want to know the greatest, you want to know the relationship. How do I get the relationship? Our area equals to the with area, which is pi r squared. It means I'm talking about what? 36 pi equals to what? Pi r squared. Indirectly, this will cancel this. My r will be equals to 6. My r will be equals to 6. When I square the whole side, I will have 6. Now, I move on the radius of a circle with a circumference 2 pi. It means 2 pi, which is circumference, equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi equals to what? 2 pi r. This will cancel this. My r equals to what? 1. My r equals to 1. Now, indirectly, quantity A is greater than what? Quantity B. That is your conclusion. That is your conclusion. Now, another question is given to us here. You are asked to area of a circle with radius 4. Now, that is very good. Area of circle with radius 4. Now, and what? A circle has a radius of which? Okay. Now, what is this? Area of circle with radius 4. What are we looking at? We are looking for area. The area will be equals to pi r squared, which I'll be having pi 4 squared, which my area will be equals to 16 pi. Now, that is quantity A. Now, quantity B, let us to know that, okay, quantity B, let us to know that a circle has radius all over 2. What is area? Now, how do I get the area here? I need to do is that I will have the area equals to as the radius of this. It means pi bracket of 5 all over 2, which of squared, it implies 25 all over 4 pi. Now, you want to know the greatest. Indirectly, it means quantity A is greater than what? Quantity B. These are the ways this comes to play. Now, I have a question here. I have this. This is a circle. And a line is drawn here, which is 6 centimeter AB. Now, you are now saying that what? AB is not diameter. AB is not diameter. Now, when somebody is given to us, a question is given to us, and we were told that this is not a diameter, it means this can never be solved. You can't solve something like this. You cannot approach it. You cannot do anything about it. That is just it. It means you leave it the way it is. Take note of that. And another problem is a circle has radius 0.01. What is its area? What is its area? Now, what I just need to do, its area, if this is the radius, I think area will be equals to pi r squared. It means I'll be having equals to pi, this is my radius, 0.01 squared. Now, I can reduce this number by having pi multiplied by, which is going to be 1 divided by 1 to all squared, which is my area will be equals to pi all over what? 10,000. That is my pi. I mean, my area equals to 10,000. Now, before I end this video, I need to show, okay, I have a problem here. The question says that a circle has radius root of x. What is circumference? What is circumference? Now, just know that this is your what? Radius. And you are looking for the circumference. You don't need to stress yourself. Just say that what? My circumference equals to 2 pi r. Now, it means my circumference will be equals to pi root of what? X. That is my answer. You can't do anything about it, on it, aside from that. Now, let me write out some problem that will help us to understand circle better, especially from JRE questions. Okay. Don't forget to share this video across to your friend, and you can request for our online class. It's very talking. Now, I have some problems here. Permit me to write them out. Okay. Okay, look at this question. I have a circle has an area of 4 pi. 4 pi, okay. It means the area equals to 4 pi. If the radius were double the new area of the word circle, would be how many times the original area? Will it be how many times the original area? Now, when you have something like this is a very technical word problem. What you just need to do, the area, we all know that area equals to 4 pi equals to what? Pi r squared. It means this will cancel this. My r equals to 2. Now, the man said is double.